Yeah, I need a haircut. With COVID-19 going on, a lot of people have gone into a similar situation as me and now need to try cutting their own hair. I've actually been doing this since I was 19, so it's no big deal for me, and I figured I'd show how I do that. This is a clipper that my wife bought for about 20 bucks. It comes with a bunch of little attachments that control how deep it cuts, and I'm probably going to use the, I don't know, 1/4 inch on the sides, 1 inch on top, something like that, and shave off my hair. First, that bath rug needs to move because gross. The best part about this is the difference between a good haircut and a bad haircut is about 2 weeks. So here goes. Now the trick when you're shaving your head is to not follow the curve of your head, but instead to go straight up. And continue working your way along. Yeah, that's a little shorter than I normally like. About 2 weeks, right? That is where I need help with back. So that's the sides. I may revisit them in a bit, but right now it's time to move on to phase 2. I've chosen the 7/8, which I'm now rethinking in favor of the 1 inch. And the next bit is to shave off all the hair on top. Every so often you need to clean this thing out. Just remove all the loose bits of hair from it. There's a brush that comes with it, which I've since washed. Continue. For that last bit, I need something that's kind of halfway between the two. And so I'm going to use a 5/8 to clean it up. Honey, just fix it. Thank you. Perfect.
Who locked us in the bathroom?
Yeah. It's okay, and it will be better in 2 weeks. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe below. These clippers, or ones very much like them, are in the Amazon link in the description below. And if you're feeling adventurous, I highly recommend cutting your own hair. If you're feeling adventurous.
Okay.